Nice backyard. Wow. After winter, ayun, na-clean ng at ang kanyang backyard. Oh, the other side, dumi. Hindi pa na-cleaning. And dito, clean na. Hanggang doon. Grabe ang view dito sa likod ng mga village. Mga village. Oh, nag-grow na mga leaves, mga dahon. Mga kahoy growing. Look at this. Look at that. Cloudy. Yun na, leaves growing. Leaves growing, everyone. Hello, everyone. Another day, another vlog. It's cloudy weather. Leaves over there growing na. Look, 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 look. By next week, maybe, ano na yan, marami na. Alright. Look at that. Bye-bye. Ganda ng panahon, only I think 17, 14, 15. Dapat dito tanaman ng dito, sili o kamatis. Sili, kamatis. Bulaklak pwede rin. Ampalaya, mga kabatiti, mga upo-upo. Kung pwedeng tumubo, 'di ba? The free free veggies. Bye-bye.